Here's a 1976 GMC Sierra. I should say High Sierra. Regular cab short box. Obviously got a lift to it. It's got a small block Chevy 350 underneath the hood. It's equipped with power steering, power brakes also underneath there. That 350 is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Good running truck. We'll swing around the other side, fired up for you too here in a little bit. Paint on it, I'd call it driver quality paint. It's a little older paint job. And you can see there's some kind of dull spots, a few of them in it. Kind of see if you can kind of get up there and see it in the glare a little bit there. Shows nice overall. Like I said, a little older paint job. But nice looking truck if you're looking for a 4x4. It's got a lift to it. Good rubber. Take a look in the bed of it, spray in bed liner. If you want to check out the underside pictures so you can see the suspension and interior under the hood pictures, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or if you would like to call and just inquire about the truck, have any questions, wonder maybe about transportation to you, you can sure give us a call at 507-386-1726. Slip around down the driver's side here. Kind of get an idea of the paint on it. Does have a luster to it, but like I said, there's some scuffs, what have you. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Get the glare out of there for you. Vinyl bench seat has been recovered. Sliding rear window. So you're gonna reach in and fire it up so you can hear it run. Starts easily, nice running truck. Again, check out those still pictures if you'd like. See the underside, engine bay. uniqueclassiccars.com. Nice smooth running 350 in there, a little rumble to it. Feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. 1976 GMC High Sierra 4x4. Regular cab, short box with a lift.